Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can manage the text of our filter section. So let's go back to dashboard and from here click product filter, click form style. Here you can style for each filter option. So let's start with category option. If you go down you will see an option widget title. It's now showing cata. Let's change it to category and click save changes. Now if you visit the shop page, our previous category title was Kata. Now if you reload the page, we'll see it's been category. So let's go back. In advanced settings, you will see an option enable or disable term search. If you enable this option, here you can add terms placeholder text. And if you go down, there is another option for enable or disable tooltip. If you enable tooltip, then you can add tooltip text here. You can add text in advanced settings for all kind of filters. Thus, you can change each filter option's title. So let's move to tag options. If you go down, here you will see the same option, widget title. Here you can add text. So let's go back. We have price. If you go to optional settings, you will see the option for widget title and minimum and maximum input level. So from here you can change the level text. Then we have more option for rating. Here you see the option for widget title. You can edit or add title here, and there is also advanced settings. Or if you go with rating text, here you will see the option for widget title. If you want to add additional text 1 to 4 stars, then you can add here, or you can also add here additional text for 5 star. Then we have more option in stock status. Here you will see the option for widget title. Here you can add text for in stock or out of stock. Then we have more option. If we go with sale status, here you can add widget title and on sale text and not on sale text. So let's move to the next option, dimensions. Here you can add widget title and can also add text for length, width, height and weight. You can remove them and can add as you want. Let's move to next option, SKU. Here you can add widget title and can add placeholder text. So we have more option for post date. Here you can add widget title and can add what text you want to display for all time, today, this week, this month and this year. You can edit them and add as you want. Here we have also text option for search product. So if we click here, then you'll see the option. Here you can add widget title and can also add the placeholder text and button text. Or if you choose this one, here you can add title text and placeholder text. Here is more option. If you go to apply and reset button, if you enable show apply button, then you can add apply button text from here, or if you enable the reset button, then you can add the reset button text from here. So let's now style for attributes. Choose attribute from here. Let's choose processor. If you go down, here you can only add widget title. So let's go back and we have custom fields also, and you can choose a custom option from here. Here you also can add widget title. So let's go back. In advanced settings, you will see an option here, text manage. There's the option no product message. It means if you filter but result is 0, then what message you want to display at your shop page. So let's change it to only no product and click save changes. Now visit the shop page. I will show you a real-time result. So at first you need to reload the page. As we have only electronic product, so if we search for any food item, then the result will be 0. So let's search for coffee. See, the result is 0 and the message is showing no product as we have added here. That's how you can manage filter text options.